Solana in this crypto crash has a much different situation brewing than Bitcoin. You'll need to have watched my Bitcoin portion of this live stream or the recording of my Bitcoin portion from Tuesday, November 8th to know what I'm talking about. And it'd be extra helpful for you in addition to that. But with that context, let's dive into Solana and let me show you why it's not looking so hot right now. Even though BTC looks like it could really, really race up and not continue down for quite a while. These are origin lines for Solana. We've dissected these quite a bit over this week on Bitcoin and all these altcoins. We know how they work, right? Now, let's zoom into here to the 5-minute chart. What has happened? Solana has gone below an origin line, failure pattern, lower low, as of now rejection. But it is forming a higher low on the 5-minute. It has a chance to get back above here. An okay chance, actually. But in this snapshot of time, because it went below failure pattern, then rejection, and it did not, the key point is, it did not touch the next origin line down. Really, whatever happens, Solana has to touch, it's gonna touch this line. So if you see it racing up, maybe to another wick, like this wick over here, that's possible. That would just be another failure pattern. But maybe as high as 26. But because of what it's done at this origin line, it does not have permission to do a huge failure, much more than a big failure pattern above here, which this would usually stop at a horizontal, mixed with a 45-degree angle from the previous high, which this is a weird high. This is just a trap. People knew it was going to go down. Big money knew it was going to go down, and they bought it up and had their short orders waiting as they bought it on spot to run it in. It's just ridiculous. So let's do the projector tool. Nope, it can hit this line actually. So if it gets above this this origin line right here, I would say that move up could take it as high as 28 bucks. But even in the exact moment, it looks like it's recovered, like it's never coming back down. Oh my gosh, like, green candles. Ice cubes on your tits. Calm down. Even at that exact moment, it's still more probable to go back down. Just like my video back from January of 2022 or December of 2021, when I said, Solana is going to hit between $12 and $22. Why argue with statistics? It's going to happen, right? That video. And if you want to see that video, click that link right there for the recording, not the stream. So be careful with Solana. People might be really ambitious. Oh my gosh, don't be that person. If it gets above here, then uses that support and holds this line for a day or two, okay. Maybe start thinking it's going to keep going up. But even at the moment it hits that, it's still more likely to continue going down because it needs to touch this origin line, period. Bitcoin bounced from an origin line and it's not stuck below one. So Solana needs to follow more the same rules, but it has different rules, more bearish rules applying. So it's playing by the same rules, but unfortunately, it drew a different card out of the deck than Bitcoin. So this is much more bearish. If this threshold were broken, what would that move look like? 13% to the upside, not bad. And these were my bear market targets that I've had since I think December of 2021 or January, February, early this year. And it did hit the horizontal, not an origin line, but it would have been healthier had it hit this origin line, because then it would have a different set of rules, or no, the same set of rules, but within the set of rules, different rules would be applying. But right now it's stuck. It has to hit that line eventually. All right, that's Solana.